Principal, Dr. Sister Shaiji, the NSS officer of a college, Dr. Captain K. Sujata, and is being escorted by the junior under officer.
जय श्रीमान श्रीमान सेंट जोसेफ कंटिजेंट आपकी नेशन के लिए हाजिर श्रीमान।
बहुत अच्छे।
जय श्रीमान।
Now, our chief guest, Sergeant Captain Madhuri, is going to inspect the parade. We are witnessing our esteemed chief guest inspecting the parade, escorted by the NCC officer of a college, Dr. Captain K. Sujata, parade commander, senior under officer Allu Pranati, and two pilots, junior under officer Yamini Pureddy and junior under officer Usharani Borigi. Our chief guest is passing the first NCC contingent and has received salute from the contingent commander, junior under officer K.T. Harshita. Our chief guest has received salute from the sports contingent led by the parade commander Sai Vaishnavi Rakarki. Our chief guest is passing the NSS contingent and has received salute from the NSS parade commander Bhavyashri Reddy. Our chief guest has received salute from the Rangers contingent led by the parade commander Moni Jasmita. Our chief guest has passed by the second NCC contingent and has received salute from the contingent commander junior under officer Yamali Prerna. Our chief guest has inspected the parade with slow march according to the drum beat by Sergeant B. Sri Saujanya from BSc Mathematics 3rd year and Sergeant Kathleen Amanda Cook from BSc Computer Science 3rd year.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
जय श्रीमान श्रीमान सेंट जोसेफ कंटिजेंट को परेड शुरू करने के लिए आपकी अनुमति चाहते हूँ श्रीमान।
बहुत अच्छे, शुरू किया जाए।
जय श्रीमान।
Commanding with high-pitched voice, the parade commander, senior under officer Allu Pranati from BA Psychology 3rd year. As our esteemed chief guest takes the place of saluting base, we shall watch the parade by our NCC, NSS, Sports and Rangers contingent. Watch them as they proudly march with dignity and walk past the saluting base. the chief guest is receiving salute from the 1st NCC contingent led by the parade commander, senior under officer Allu Pranati, contingent commander, junior under officer KT Harshita, right marker Sergeant Navya Bopa, left marker Sergeant Sneha Sukhi. Now, the chief guest is receiving salute from the 2nd NCC contingent led by the contingent commander, junior under officer Yamilan Perenov, BBA 3rd year. Right marker, Sergeant B. Jansi, BSc Mathematics, 3rd year. Left marker, Sergeant Sheikh Mehek from BBA 3rd year. Now, the chief guest is receiving salute from the sports contingent led by the parade commander Sai Vaishnavi Ravati from BA Psychology 2nd year. Contingent commander Poshana Adari from BBA 3rd year. Right marker Patta Kirtana from 2nd Inter MEC. Left marker V. Sai Divyambika from BSc Zoology 2nd year. Now, our chief guest is receiving salute from the NSS contingent led by the parade commander Abhyashri Reddy, contingent commander Gayatri Terada, BSc Biotechnology 2nd year. Right marker Yerni Neelam from BSc Zoology 2nd year. Left marker P. Sri Shanmukhi from AGRT 2nd year. Our chief guest is now receiving salute from the Rangers contingent led by the parade commander Boni Jashmita from 2nd Inter YPC. Contingent commander Talapudi Seshi from 2nd Inter YPC. Right marker Karanam Jansi from 2nd Inter NPC. Left marker CH Ashrita Devi from 1st Inter NPC. Saujanya from BSc Mathematics 3rd year and Sergeant Kathleen Amanda Cook from BSc Computer Science 3rd year. Now, the parade commander, senior under officer Allu Pranati shall seek permission for the disperse of the parade from the chief guest.
जय श्रीमान श्रीमान सेंट जोसेफ कंटीजेंट को विसर्जन करने के लिए आपकी अनुमति चाहती हूँ श्रीमान।
आप ले जाओ।
जय श्रीमान।
May I now request the dignitaries on the stage to take their chairs. I call upon the Vice President of the Student Council, Sheikh Yasmin, to present a bouquet to our Principal, Dr. Sister Shaiji. Now, I call upon the liaison officer of the Student Council to present a bouquet to the NCC officer of our college, Dr. Captain K. Sujata Ma'am. I now call upon the President of the Student Council, B. Vinodni Naidu, to introduce our chief guest.
A very good morning to the respected dignitaries on the dais, dedicated faculty members, staff, proud parents, and my dear Josephines. On this proud occasion of our nation's 79th Independence Day, it is my great honor to welcome and introduce our esteemed chief guest, Surgeon Captain Madhuri, a senior officer of Indian Navy, a respected senior advisor, and HOD, Medicine at INHS Kalyani, Visakhapatnam. She is a true example of dedication, leadership, and service to the nation. With over 2 decades of service, she has worked tirelessly to protect and improve the health of countless people. She has been honored twice by the Chief of Naval Staff in 2010 for her outstanding work in controlling the swine flu epidemic in Visakhapatnam, and in 2022 for achieving 0 deaths from COVID-19 cases in Port Blair. In 2017, she was commended by the Director General Coast Guard, and she has also received spot commendations in 2011 and 2023 from the Commander-in-Chief of Andaman and Nicobar Command for her excellent service. Her journey began at Benares Hindu University, where she completed her MBBS and MD in 2003. In the same year, she joined the Indian Navy, committing her knowledge and skills to the service of our country. She has also made important contributions to research, publishing several papers in national and international journals, working with the Indian Council of Medical Research, and serving as a selection committee member for the post of Government College Director. Outside of professional work, Surgeon Captain Madhuri is a woman of many talents. She is a skilled classical dancer and a singer, a national level Kho player and an athlete, a passionate cook, an award-winning gardener in Kochi and Goa, and an artist who creates beautiful Tanjore paintings. Balancing all of this, she is supported by her husband, an entrepreneur with a startup in Gurgaon, and is the proud mother of 2 sons, the elder pursuing MBBS and the younger excelling in class 12. Her remarkable journey, service to the nation, and inspiring personality add great pride and meaning to our celebration and inspires us to aim higher, serve with dedication, and live with passion. On this special occasion, when we remember the sacrifices and achievements that gave us our freedom, we are truly privileged and deeply honored to have such an inspiring leader with us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinodji, for introducing our chief guest. Now, I request our esteemed chief guest, Surgeon Captain Madhuri ma'am, to address the gathering.
Captain Sujata, esteemed teachers and dear students. A very good morning to all of you and my warm wishes on this beautiful occasion of Independence Day. I congratulate our parade commander Pragati for this wonderful show that has been showed up and for the leader who has guided them. So I'm deeply honored to stand here today and I thank you from bottom of my heart for inviting me to be the part of your celebration. Yanakatla andariki inipistunda? Yeah, good. Okay, be alert and nenu madhyajalo adugutanu. So over there and all andaru vinandi sariga. Okay, so every year on the 15th August we gather our tricolor with pride in our hearts. The sight of the color flag fluttering in the winds reminds us of the sacrifices and struggles that give birth to our freedom. So in 1947, India woke to a new dawn, and that dawn born not from the comfort, but it's from the years of pain, courage, and unshakable hope. And that dawn born not from the comfort, but from the years of pain, courage, and unshakable hope. Our freedom was earned by the countless people, some whose name filled the pages of history, and many whose names were never reknown. The farmers, students, workers, mothers, soldiers, all united by one dream to see that India free. So when we look back, we find the stories that inspired to us on this day. Mahatma Gandhi ji, who proved that non-violence can shake even the mightiest empire. Subhash Chandra Bose ji declared that freedom is worth everything, even our lives. Rani Lakshmi Bai, who fought not for herself, but for the pride of the land. Their courage teaches us the greatness and does not come from the absence of fear, but from the will to rise above it. So having served my country, I have learned a truth I hold very close to my heart. Freedom is not just a gift, it's a responsibility. Just as the ship might steer carefully through the calm seas and storms alike, a nation must be guided with discipline, unity and courage. In my journey, I have seen young men and women, many from small towns and villages, step into completely new environments and adapt. They adapt to learn and lead with determination. This shows me that where we come from matters less than where we are willing to go. Dear students, the future of our country lies in your hands. The previous generation protected this freedom for us. So now it's our turn to strengthen it, to shape an India that is more just, more prosperous, and more compassionate. You do not need a uniform to serve the nation. Service can be in form of honest work, innovation, teaching, protecting the environment, or even helping someone in need. So even a small act done with sincerity adds to the strength of the country. So think of our nation as a ship, with each of us as its crew. The older generation have brought it so far, steering through the storms of poverty, inequality, and challenges. You are the new crew now. How you study, how you treat others, how you work for your dreams, and all of this decides whether the ships move forward, drifts aimlessly, or sinks. Remember, patriotism is not only the grand speeches and parade, it is the way you live every day. Ask yourself each morning, what can I do today that will make my country better? So it may be planting just a tree, helping a friend, understanding a lesson, refusing to spread the negativity, or walking with full dedication. These small steps are like the drops of water that together make an ocean. If each citizen takes such steps, imagine India, what India we can build. So on this Independence Day, let us not just salute this tricolor with our hands, but also honor it with our actions. Let us dream of India where no child goes to the bed hungry, where talent finds an opportunity regardless of background, where the world looks to India not just for its history, but for its leadership in science, especially the upcoming AI and culture and humanity. The strength of our nation lies in its people, in you. You are the energy, you are the creativity, you are the courage of this land, and this responsibility you should take with pride and wherever the life takes you. Remember that you are representative of India. Let your character be your salute to your nation. So as I am a doctor, I often see how many small wounds, if left untreated, can grow into big serious. Same, our country is no different. If a small problems like dishonesty, intolerance, carelessness are ignored, they can weaken the whole nation. So just as a doctor works not only to cure the disease, but also to promote good habits and to keep the body strong, we must take care of our country's health and every day. So prevention is always better than cure, and the same applies to the well-being of our nation. One other thing is that as I'm addressing to the girls' college over here, I say women is the pride of the society, pride of the house, and pillar foundation of the house society. So nowadays, even I am a working woman, but nowadays what I am seeing is the main thing what girls has to have in mind is family comes first, because we are running after our profession and we are just becoming more and more ambitious. But the basic thing, mana enta professional pike ochina, enta ambitious, that is very good. Along with that, manam basic responsibility what we have to have is our house. We are the foundation of the house. Ambition and everything as one side. Along with that, we have one big responsibility of the house, because we are giving birth to the further generation. What we show to them is the thing what we are creating the future. Okay, ee roju mano profession valna mana inti pillala meeda we are not concentrating much, and we are chala easy అయిపోతుంది hotel కి వెళ్ళి భోజనం చేసేయడం, పార్టీకి వెళ్ళడం అదంతా. సో మనకి టైం మార్నింగ్ లేకపోతే 5 o'clock లేచి జస్ట్ బ్రెడ్ లేకపోతే కర్డ్ రైస్ జస్ట్ ప్యాక్ చేసి ఇచ్చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. సో అన్ని ఇంత ఫాస్ట్ చేంజ్ అంతా ఇది అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ ఇస్, ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్. సో ఈ రోజు ఎవరైనా మేల్ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్ వచ్చి చెప్తే దెన్ యూ పీపుల్ మే టేక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అదర్వైజ్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ బీయింగ్ ఎ ఫీమేల్, ఐఎమ్ బీయింగ్ ఎ వర్కింగ్ ఉమెన్ who is మెడికల్ స్పెషలిస్ట్. సో ఇప్పుడు అందరూ మెడికల్ చాలా మంది, బట్ ఆ టైంలోని లేడీ మెడికల్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ వెరీ రేర్. సో ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ 24/7 loaded with patients, 24/7 busy, all more than 30 years of my service has been finished. So I'm always been like that, still working like a resident. But still, the same responsibility I'm putting at my home, that is very important. మన ఇంటిని వదిలిపెట్టేసి if you are more concentrating on the outside life and getting more ambitious, that is not acceptable, because that we are seeing the future. Because చిన్న పిల్లల్లోని హార్ట్ అటాక్ అయిపోవడం, డయాబెటీస్ ఉండడం, పిల్లలందరూ వెయిట్ ఎక్కువైపోయి మీ ముందర దట్ ఈస్ టర్నింగ్ ఇన్ టు మల్టీ ఆర్గన్ డిసార్డర్స్, మల్టీ కోమార్బిడిటీస్. దట్స్ ఆల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద లేడీ ఆఫ్ ద హౌస్ అండి. ఓకే, సో అలాంగ్ విత్ ద ప్రొఫెషన్ దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ మచ్ నెసరీ. టైంకి పెళ్లి చేసేసుకోండి, టైంకి పిల్లలు కనండి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాస్ ద అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్టిలిటీ ట్రీట్మెంట్ విచ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. So family is very, very important. Family untene your profession, everything is it. People are in organized this thing. People will have organized life. So family is very important. I am saying this after achieving so much also. So you should not have any second thoughts of that. So thank you once again for to share this. Before that, I would like to tell you, because all our youngsters over there, service only how to join the armed forces. Okay, so everybody is listening this. Inpistunda venkatla. So nowadays there are lot of chances for the girls also to enter into NDA and all. This is the 4th batch which is coming out from NDA, girls batch. So I like to tell you how to join armed forces. Because any sectors now you have seen there are Agniveer girls also coming up. Okay, so girls are everywhere. Okay, so that's why I just want you people to know how to join the armed forces. After 12th, you can give NDA. You can join the NDA academy. It's an entry for Army, Navy, and Air Force. Both boys and girls. Since 2021, girls in Koda starts, which was only boys. So now from 2021 is the 4th batch coming out. So girls have got entry undi. So after 12th you can join NDA. Entrance exam conducted by the UPSC. It is an entrance exam conducted by the UPSC followed by SSB interview and medicals. So age is 16.5 to 19.5 years. 10 plus 12. BTech entry is the second entry. So I already told you about the 12th entry. Now is the BTech entry after graduation. Entry for technical branch Indian Navy loni, both boys and girls with PCM and good JE marks can also apply. No written exam, shortlisted by SSB only. So after graduation, this is after 12th year rendu. So after graduation, you have option to join services by CDS, Common Defense Exam, entry for Navy, Army and Air Force. Both boys and girls for OTA Chennai. All this are short service, not this one. This post graduation is short service. Short service matlab 5 years. After that, depending on your merit, you will get the permanent commission. It is conducted by the UPSC twice a week. AFCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test for flying. Hello. For flying, technical and ground duty branches in the Indian Air Force. It is open to both boys and girls, conducted by Indian Air Force twice a year, and NCC special entry for Army, men and women, Navy and Air Force. Must be an NCC C certificate holder with minimum B grade. So next is the technical entry, TCG, UES, SSC Tech. For engineering graduates, Army and Navy, no written exam, shortlisted for SSB. Next category is the Judge Advocate General for law graduates, Army, for both boys and girls eligible for this. And for doctors, nurses and medical graduates, AFMC Pune, MBBS for Army, AMC, Army Medical Corps. MNS is Military Nursing Service for girls. It is via Youth NIJI now, and PG entries via NEET PG for Army Medical Services. So these are the opportunities for joining Indian Army. So you people who are all interested now, girls has lot of options going on ships and ships, and they are doing paratrooping, all special services also they are all joining. So there are lot of opportunities for girls. So thank you so much again for allowing me to share this moment with you, and may our flag always fly, and may we always be worthy of freedom we inherited. Jai Hind, Shana Varna.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Now I call upon Afia Anish from 2nd BSc Chemistry to chant a few verses from the Holy Bible. A reading from Galatians chapter 5 verses 13 to 17. You, my brothers and sisters, were called to be free, but do not use your freedom to indulge the flesh. Rather, serve one another humbly in love. For the entire law is fulfilled in keeping this one command: love your neighbors as yourself. If you bite and devour each other, watch out, or you will be destroyed by each other. So I say, walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. For the flesh desires what is contrary to the Spirit. They are in conflict with each other. These verses explains true independence comes when we use our freedom not for selfish gain, but to serve others with love and humility. A nation remains strong not when people fight or divide, but when they stand united in love and self-control. Thank you, Afia. Now I call upon Manasa Panduranga from 2nd year BSc to chant a few shlokas from the Holy Bhagavad Gita. श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अध त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ विभाग योगः श्रीभगवानुवाच अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यमात्मा विनिग्रहः इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् असक्तिरनभिष्वाङ्गः पुत्रदारागृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु. Meaning, knowledge includes humility, modesty, non-violence, simplicity, serving the Guru, cleanliness, persistence, self-control, abstaining from sense object, rejecting the ego, understanding the futility of birth, death, old age, disease, detachment from family affairs, balanced mindset, firm devotion, uninterested in social affairs, prioritizing self-realization, awareness of philosophical truths. Anything constraining this is ignorance. Thank you, Manasa. Now I call upon Suha Tahsin from 3rd BCom to render a few verses from the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will be reciting the last two verses of Surah Al-Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Meaning, we believe in Allah, His angels, His books and His messengers, making no difference between them. These verses also remind us that Allah does not burden us beyond their ability. Each soul will be rewarded for the good it does and held accountable for its wrong. We pray to Allah not to punish us if we forgot or make mistakes, not to place heavy burden on us, and not to make us bear what we cannot. We ask Him to forgive us, have mercy on us, and help us against those who reject the truth. Sadaqallahu al-Azim.
Thank you, Suha. Now, join in to feel the patriotic cultural fervor and let's together honor the spirit of freedom and unity that defines India. Jai Hind. Over to S. Anisha and Afia Anish, the liaison officers of the Student Council.
Now that the spirit of freedom has filled our hearts, it's time to celebrate our Independence Day through the colors of culture and art. Let's embrace the beauty of our heritage through today's cultural performances. Now, let's witness a graceful classical dance that celebrates our nation's rich heritage and fills our hearts with patriotic pride. Let's welcome our talented performers, Akshara from 2nd BSc Biochemistry and Georgina from 1st BSc Computer Science.
नमो नमो भारताम्बे सारस्वत शरीरिणि नमोस्तु जगतां वन्द्ये ब्रह्म विद्या प्रकाशिनि नमो नमो भारताम्बे हिमालय किरीटिनि गङ्गाद्या सरित सर्वस्तन्यं ते विश्वपावनि नमो 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 भारताम्बे नमो नमो भारताम्बे नमो 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 गमपनि नीनि
मग मग ग ग
गमपनि नीनि
पानी समग ग प म प ग म स ग नि स पानी असनि पानी प म असनि पानी प म प म ग नमो नमो भारताम्बे पदरी षण्डमण्डिते तीर्थी कुर्वन्ति लोकांस्ते तीर्थभूता मुनीश्वरा नमो नमो भारताम्बे विन्ध्यतुङ्गस्तनायिते समुद्रवसने देवी सह्यमाला विराजिते
नमो
patriotic melody.
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है कभी नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की जो है खुशबू, तू कैसे आएगा। पूछा है कहीं जाए, तू लौट के आएगा। नई राहों में, दबी दबी राहों में, कोई कोई दिल से डरे, कोई ये कहेगा जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। सब तो पा लिया, अब है क्या कमी। यूं तो सारे सुख है बरसे, ढूंढते हैं अपने घर से आ लौट। माने तुझे कर दे प्रदेश, तुझे पुकारा। ये सकता ये पल है जिसमें पूरी एक सदी की सारी अब कुछ रास का तू ही तो है राह जो सुझाए, तू ही तो है अब जो ये बता जाए मैं जा। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये बंधन है कि टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की जो है खुशबू, तू कैसे बुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए, तू लौट के आएगा। नई राहों में, दबी दबी राहों में, कोई कोई दिल से डरे, कोई ये कहेगा जो देश है तेरा, है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। होगा तुझे जो ये जो तेरा मेरा, स्वदेश है मेरा, तुझे है पुकारा।
Thank you, Kohli, for that have the power to awaken minds, and its kit bring them to life in a way that leaves a lasting impression. Now we are delighted to present Mahalakshmi and her talented team from First Intermediate as they stage a patriotic act that beautifully mirrors the values we cherish as a nation.
पहलगाम, कश्मीर की वो धरती जिसे लोग जन्नती कहते हैं, जहां शहरों लोग सुकून के लिए आते हैं। लेकिन 22 अप्रैल 2025 को कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसकी हम सभी कल्पना नहीं कर सकते। इस एक्ट के माध्यम से हम आप सभी को ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि कैसे हंसी की वो गूंज चीखों में तब्दील हो गई और फिर हमारी भारतीय सेना ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के माध्यम से आतंकी उन भेड़ियों को करारा जवाब दिया। विनय, चलो ना, बहुत तेज से भूख लगी है। रुको बाबा, चलते हैं। जरा ये मौसम को तो देखो, कितना खूबसूरत है।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनू है किसी में कहा। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधिया।
हर तरफ खुशी का माहौल था और तभी उन तमाम भीड़ में से 3 आतंकवादी आते हैं। और तब हिंदू हो या मुसलमान, हिंदू, क्या नाम है तेरा? विनय नरवाल। विनय, मुझे भी मार दो। नहीं, हम तुझे नहीं मारेंगे। तुम्हें जीते हुए हर रोज मरता देख हमें अच्छा लगेगा। अब जा और अपने लोगों को बोल कि किसने तेरा ये हाल किया। ये कहानी का वह हिस्सा है जिसे पूरा देश जानता है, लेकिन पर्दे के पीछे कहानी का एक और दूसरा पहलू भी है। सैयद अली है उस वीर का नाम जो जम्मू कश्मीर के यात्रियों को घुड़सवारी करवाता है और उसी पे उनका जीवन भी चलता है। अली भैया, क्या आपका जीवन इसी पे आधारित है? हाँ, मेरा जीवन इसी पे आधारित है। अच्छा ये बताइए, आपके पास कितने घोड़े हैं? मेरे पास 25 से 30 घोड़े हैं। और सब लोग भागो यहाँ से।
चिंता मत करो, हम तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि तुम हमारे जैसे एक मुसलमान हो। और अब हटो हमारी मार्ग से।
आप लोग तो आतंकवादी हो और आप लोग का कोई पहचान नहीं होता। मैं तो हिंदुस्तानी हूँ।
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी
दे। जैसे कि आपने देखा, सैयद अली ने उनकी जान को दांव पर रखकर उनके यात्रियों को बचाया, जिसमें हिंदू मुसलमान दोनों हैं। ऐसे करके उन्होंने उन पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादियों को ये बताया कि ये हिंदुस्तान है और सभी भारतीय एकजुट है। हिंदू और मुसलमान में कोई भेद नहीं।
Freedom, the spirit of freedom shines even brighter. Let's welcome our dancers, Jasmine and team from First Inter BITC for an energetic performance.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। దాస్యాన జీవించడం కన్న చావెంతో మేలందిని పౌరుషం. మనుషులైతే మనం మడిచి వేసే జులుం ఒప్పుకోకందిని ఉద్యమం. ఆలని బిడ్డని అమ్మని జన్మని బంధనాలన్నీ వదిలి సాగుదాం. పానవే లక్షలై ఒకే లక్ష్యమై అటే వేయని ప్రతిపదం. కదన రంగమంతా కొదమ సింగమల్లే ఆక్రమించి విక్రమించి తరుముతోంది రారి వీర సంహారా.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यारबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा. ओ हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा. जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी. पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले.
And move hearts. A monologue gave voice to thought. Let's welcome Nandini of Second Inter MEC. She presents a powerful patriotic monologue.
Happy birthday!
कुछ नहीं हो, कौन है आप लोग? अरे अरे अरे, वो बॉक्स क्या है? आप लोग आए बॉक्स है? देखो कौन आ गए? अయ్యో, आप लोग वो बॉक्स में ये बॉक्स क्यों रखते हो? तब बताइए ना बॉक्स क्यों रखते हो? बस पूछो इनको आए बॉक्स। मेरा केक खाने के लिए आए हो? अरे जाओ 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 ना। बस पूछो इनको। जाओ। I am proud to be a doctor soldier. आपको मुझे छोड़ के क्योंकि मैं करोड़ों फैमिली को रक्षा की है। जय जवान जय किसान।
Strength and discipline are not just about the battlefield. They live in every moment of the martial arts. Let's welcome our young champions and will showcase a spirited karate performance. Starting with the combat strikes of karate, here is Chandani of 7th Inter MC with Square.
cultural celebrations for this Independence Day. Each act today has been a beautiful reminder of our rich courage, unity, and the spirit of freedom. Now, to continue the celebrations, we move on to an exciting part of the program, the prize distribution ceremony. For this, we hand over the stage to PG representative Anita, who will take us through the honors and recognitions of the day.
Dr. Sister Shaizi to kindly come forward and distribute the medals to our winners. Now, I call upon the NCC cadets under the guidance of NCC officer Dr. Captain K. Sujata ma'am, NCC caretaker Mrs. Prudwila ma'am. Parade Commander Allu Pranati from 3rd BA Psychology Major. Contingent Commander K.T. Harshita from 3rd BSc Computer Science. Contingent Commander Yamli Prerna from 3rd BBA. Pilots Usha Rani Burigi from 3rd BSc Computer Science. Let's all give them a big round of applause. Pilots Purati Yamni from 3rd NPCS. Drumbeat B. Sri Saujanya from 3rd BSc Mathematics. Please give them a big round of applause. Drumbeat Kathleen A. Cook from 3rd BSc Computer Science. Dynamarker Nabya Boga from 3rd BSc. Jansi Buddepu from 3rd BSc. YA Marker Sneha Surjal from 2nd BBA. Let's all clap for them. Sheikh Mahek from 3rd BBA. Senior Cadet Y. Monica Nukeshwari. Now, I call upon the NSS Program Officer, Dr. K. Manikya Kumari Madam. Parade Commander, Reddy Bhavyashri from 3rd BSc Computer Science. Contingent Commander, Gayatri Pereda from 2nd BSc Biotechnology. Right marker Neelam Yedni from 2nd BSc Geology. Left marker P. Srishan Mukhi from 2nd BSc Agriculture. Outstanding student in the NSS Parade, J. Kirtika from 2nd BA English. Participant of the NSS National Camp 2025 won first prize in National Debate and first prize in Classical Dance. Now I call upon the sports candidates, Physical Director Dr. L. Praveen Kumar Sir, Parade Commander Sai Vaishnavi Rapati from 2nd BA Psychology. Contingent Commander Poshna Adari from 3rd BBA. Right marker Patta Kirtana from 2nd MEC. Left marker V. Sai Divya Ambika from 2nd BSc Geology. Now I call upon regional leader Dr. P. Mary Anupama Madam. Parade Commander Boni Jasmita from 2nd BPC. Contingent Commander Talpuri Sheshi from 2nd year BPC. Right marker Karnam Jhansi from 2nd MPC. Left marker CH Ashrita Devi from 1st year MPC. Once again, let's all join in with a big round of applause to all the winners. As a mark of our respect and heartful thanks, may I now invite our beloved principal, Dr. Sister Shaizi, to present a memento to our esteemed chief guest. Now I would like to hand over the stage to our Vice President of Student Council, Sheikh Yasmin, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Respected Chief Guest, our beloved Principal and Vice Principal, esteemed faculty and staff, dear parents and Josephine's, warm patriotic greetings on this proud occasion of our nation's 79th Independence Day. On behalf of St. Joseph's College for Women Autonomous, it is my privilege to extend heartfelt gratitude to all who made today's celebration a success. A deep gratitude to our Chief Guest, Captain Surgeon Captain Madhuri, a senior advisor and HOD medicine at INHS Kalyani, Vishakhapatnam, for gracing us with your presence and inspiring us with your words and service to the nation. Your example will continue to motivate us to uphold discipline, dedication and patriotism. We thank our principal, Dr. Sister Shaiji, for your visionary leadership and constant encouragement, and to our vice principal, Dr. Sister Hema, for meticulous guidance and in making this event flawless. Sincere appreciation to our student council faculty advisors for guiding us and the cultural theme throughout this event, and to our faculty for your constant support. And to our non-teaching staff, we offer our sincere gratitude for your efficient support behind the scenes dedication. A special commendation goes to all the cadets of NCC Parade for your disciplined march, impeccable coordination and dignified presence that truly embodied the pride of our nation. Equal appreciation goes to our NSS volunteers, rangers and sports parade participants for bringing boundless energy, enthusiasm and commitment to the field. Your spirited performance added vigor and vibrance to our 79th Independence Day celebration. Our heartfelt gratitude also goes to all the cultural event performers, be it the soulful singers, vibrant dancers and talented actors of the skit for bringing alive the spirit of independence. We are grateful to our parents for your presence and encouragement, and to our fellow student council office bearers for your dedication and teamwork. Last but by no means least, to all the Josephines, we thank you for your enthusiastic participation, discipline and unity which added to the grandeur of our 79th Independence Day. May the spirit of freedom inspire us to serve our nation with pride and purpose. Jai Hind. Before we disperse, a gentle reminder, snacks will be provided at Gate 3. I repeat, snacks will be provided at Gate 3.
Let's stand by for national anthem. Followed by photos. Please stay back.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल